Hello! In this video I will show you how I treating plywood for burning. For the treatment I use 35% hydrogen peroxide. In order not to get a chemical burn, you need to work with rubber gloves. For work I will use a kitchen sponge. Concentrated peroxide is not sold in the pharmacy, but you can buy it on Amazon or other marketplaces. Apply the peroxide evenly to the plywood along the grain of the wood. The grain of the wood better visible on this piece. Cover all pieces of plywood with peroxide and let sit for 24 hours. Next step, it is necessary to prepare a solution of soda in boiling water. One teaspoon of baking soda and about 1 glass of boiling water. Wet the plywood surface evenly and let sit for 24 hours again. Pay attention how the color of the plywood has changed. But this is not the end. Plywood cannot be used yet. You need to wait until the effect of hydrogen peroxide stops completely. I fold the plywood in a certain way and wait at least 7 days. This is not way to fold plywood, otherwise the coating will deteriorate. I do it differently. Set the plywood like this, so that there is a gap between the sheets, and leave it for 7 days. For best results, I coat the plywood with the baking soda solution one more time before burning. After the plywood has dried, no sanding is required, otherwise you will remove the prepared layer. It is enough to remove the largest roughness. Now, working speed 2.6. The tip temperature is 68.75%. It will be a clock. See you in next video and good luck.